Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to switch your Instagram account to professional, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, just open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section, and in the profile section just simply tap on edit profile and scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get an option of switch to professional account. Just simply tap on that option and just click on continue, once again continue, and once again, and the last once again. And then after that, here just select your category. I'm just selecting the artist one. For example, you select yours one, and if you want to display it on profile, like if you want to show it on your profile, simply toggle off that option like in this way and click on done. It will just take a while. And then here select your type, a creator or business. I'm just selecting the creator one. Click on next and click on OK. Click on next. So here, if you want to just sync your professional account with Facebook, and just click on continue, and if you don't want, just click on not now. So here you can set up your professional account properly, like you can complete your profile and you can grow your audience, you can introduce yourself, and you can tell them your goals, and like by selecting that option. So this is how you can easily switch your Instagram account to a professional. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video.